And what's up, guys? Today we're filming reacting to gunshots, and make sure you like and subscribe or I take a bullet on you. Let's start. So as you see, we have here some kind of game. Oh, holy shitty. This dude literally in the hand, like I said. This hurts. Oh, it's ping pong ball. Like, and now headshot, dude. This dude's the best one. Look at it. Whoa. Oh damn it! I can feel how much that hurts, dude. Oh damn. Damn. He thought he lost. Ah, in directly in the eye. How does people not spot him? In the neck. Let's see. Shoot him in the. Why did you shot him in the? Oh, headshot. Let's move on to the next video. I mean, we gotta make it to the end of this, so let's get it. Damn it! Come on, shoot him. Yes. Now we're talking. Oh, it's end. Oh, next video. So let's do it now. We have this start here. Holy shit! Look at these guns. These are good ones, dude. Does he have a AK-47 or something like that? Or like, dude, that would be the best one. So let's make sure this is a good thing. Come on. Is there any of the guns with suppressor or something? Oh, wait, let me start. Start. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. You better like to me, not to you. I mean, you got a gun, but I have a revolver. Shut the fuck up. What the fuck? Look at his face, dude. He has a hat and those. Look at that. He's not good. He's not good. Definitely not good. Make sure to like and subscribe. And still, as we are in the middle of the video, you better like and subscribe, or else you get knocked out. Let's get this started again. Come on, now we're talking. So let's do it now. He has this Glock, mini Glock, I don't know. Ooh. Just take the 2 bullets, dude. It's not that big problem. This dude is really scared of cops, isn't he? This is a phone gun. Did you see? Can you see it? Look at it. Literally. Like, literally. How does he have a phone gun? Oh, a suppressor. He didn't have a suppressor. Oh. How quiet, yeah. I like that gun. It's a I know it's not Glock, but okay. Man, oh, this is the revolver. Holy shit. Yep, she's a... Holy shit. That one's good, dude. This golden revolver, can you see it? Oh my god. Dude, dude, that has all of the guns in the universe. Like, dude, chill the fuck down. Why do you need every gun in the universe? Let's see. The mini revolver. let's get this a little too far. Let me skip a little and get it a little too far. Oh. Ooh, this Desert Eagle, guys. This is my favorite. This is my favorite, guys. Desert Eagle. My favorite one, dude. Yeah, my favorite one. Wait a minute. So guys, I just keep back a little, and when he comes back to Desert Eagle, can you see the old bullet? It almost hit his head, like literally, dude. He almost. I don't have any words, dude. Desert Eagle is the best one. I think. The mouse. Wait. No. Oh my god. Oh, doesn't go there. Okay, thank you. So, why does every gun have smoke? I mean, watch this revolver. It's gonna have smoke. Can you see it? So watch. What? Did you see the smoke? Obviously, you're gonna see the smoke. Like literally, dude. How does it not have any sense? This and this. Here, look at the gun, and the bullet almost hit the guy in the head. Look at this. Look. Did you see that? It almost hit him in the head. Pretty cheap, but gold. What the fuck? How does it make any sense, dude? Better make any sense. Come on, shoot it. Good smoke, good smoke. Have you heard that? Have you ever heard of that song? Gun smoke, gun smoke. No, this nice one. I kind of like this one. It's not better than Desert Eagle. MP, like, dude. Ooh, this is gonna be a cool one. Cool gun. I like it. Ooh, Glock 17. My second favorite Glock. Desert Eagle. After Desert Eagle, that Glock 17 is the best one. How do you can't fire the gun? Like, literally, what the fuck is wrong with that gravity? Stop it. Why do you have your headphones? Ooh. With that scope. Motherfucker scope. This nice one. Ooh, this seems good. Good gun. Not gonna lie. This seems good gun. Look at it. Look at it. Like, look at it. Look at the magazine. Holy shit. I bet. I thought it was a Mac 10. I really thought it was a Mac 10. Like, dude. This is some kind of SMG. Oh, he shot the 3 bullets. Okay. But it's not heavy. God, this is gonna hurt if you shoot at the human. Like, look at those. Look at a little star thing. AK. Hey. Who screamed? Why do you shoot a human? Why? Like, literally. So, this gun seems dangerous. Like, gun is dangerous, I know. But these are very dangerous. So, well, I kind of almost said it's marksman, but it's okay. Let's see, new gun. Ooh, I think this is a marksman. No, I don't know. What is this? What? Come get it in the screen, dude. Oh, thank you. Oh. Okay. Nice gun, dude. This is like shotgun. I almost said it's a AR. Come on, dude, just shoot it already. This is pretty boring, guys. Let's move on to something really suspicious. Let's go. Here we go. Shotguns. And I kind of skip a little, so this is gonna be fun, I guess. Let's go. This video is boring. He only shoots one bullet. This is boring. Let's move on to the next video. I know he's always gonna shoot one bullet, so let's go. So we got a next video. Let's do it. So we're gonna watching the shotgun versus some kind of wall. I don't know. So let's watch it, I guess. Look, why is this car so damaged? And why? No. Why the fuck do you do that? And yeah, hi. What's up, everybody? And fuck you, bitch. Yo, his face looks so stupid. Look at him. He's so stupid. 1500. More rifle versus bank. Fold the biggest rifle ever. Why do you need 3 of these nuts? Why do you need 3 of these? Like literally, dude. You can just say 1. Why do you need 3? Emergency escape. This dude literally robbed a bank, and he said he has private one. This dude robbed a bank. Fuck you. Oh, world's strongest manslayer. Just shoot it already. Holy shit. You can't even see bullets in slow motion. Look at it. Look at it. World. Look at that. Didn't blow out of my hand. Give me the title. I'm the world's strongest man now. You know you're not. Dude, you have a terrible aim. You can just shoot in that black thing and you can open it already. You have so terrible aim. If I get a Glock, you're dead, man. Like, dude, why do you need to shoot? If there's a human, you'll shoot him in the leg, not in the head. So stupid. Let's get this. Ooh, Glock 17. Wait, I gotta get it back. Take a shot. Then I didn't see this gun smoke. Oh my goodness, this is a bigger hole. I mean, gun hole. Damn, this is freak aim. Like, dude, I saw Now I saw the dude literally pick up the skeleton. Look at this. Look at it. After. This is a skeleton. So he thought this would be fun if he lifted. So what's the point of it? And it fall a arm. Marksman. Nice marksman, dude. Not gonna lie, but nice marksman. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Definitely gonna have bigger hole. I mean, hole in the door. Holy shit! It moved the whole middle, dude. So this pretty big hole. He's literally said it. Pretty big hole, dude. And I know I can see it. Let's see the skeleton. Can you see the hole in the skeleton, stupid? I guess it is. Like,
on this side, we have a Sully. On this side, we have Mike Wazowski. On the bottom, we have Mr. Waternoose. And on the top lever, we have Randall. So this is a...
Get your face out of the screen, dude. Thank you. This satisfying moment of the shotgun. Come on, shoot it. Nice. Gunsmoke. Motherfucker, bitch ass and Gunsmoke. I know that song. Of course. Yeah, I like that moment. I know. I can feel it. Holy shit, that's a big ass hole. Hey, why are you tingling that hole? Like, weirdo. Can you just get a stronger gun? Let me skip a little. A marksman, another marksman. Seriously? This looks like a strong... Oh, I know which is. I can't explain it, it's so good. Look at the smoke down. Is this the hole? No. Like, dude. It went through the door, I think. I think it went through the door. Let's see. Holy shit, that is big ass hole, dude. How the fuck did it get that much? But where did the bullet go, dude? Okay, just shoot it already. I'm gonna skip. Ooh, this one's nice. Ooh, nice magazine. Of course. not don't subscribe to this weirdo. Subscribe to me or else something bad happened to you. Start. That's what I gonna do. Shoot you in the face. Wait a minute. What was that sound like? Look at this. Wait. What was that sound? Dude, stop making those emo fucking noises. Why the fuck are you doing it? They safe doesn't seem very. I don't seem very impressed. Holy shit. That definitely went through the door. I saw it right there. I don't know if I did. See? Did you saw that? I saw that. It definitely went through. Let's see the door. Holy shit, this is big ass hole, dude. Look at it. Look at it. Gotta do this something. Come on.
Speaking of freezing, we have ventilated this door. Here is another giant hole. That's where we hit 700 nitro. You can see it is much bigger than the other holes. I can get my whole thumb in that hole. Let's see if we make it to the other side.
Of course you did.
Oof, we were close. We have one heck of a bulge right there.
How? I saw the bullet.
Not playing around, but it did not have enough.
Come on, dude. Let's skip a little. Let's get to dangerous somehow. Come on. Just skip. Holy shit, that is big ass hole, dude.
I mean, like a thumb is nothing in there. I get like 3 fingers in there. Oh, you know,
3 fingers, dude. 3 fingers.
I think it probably did not because it's such a big, slow-moving round, but it delivers a lot of force. It leaves a really big bulge.
But why is that skeleton over there? And why does he look like a genie?
Look right there. It is splitting right there.
Holy.
So it was super close.
Yeah. Oh my.
So I just reviewed the slow-mo footage, and I have to say, even though the 4 board did not make it all the way through the door, I'm still most impressed with it. It produced
I bet AK-47 is gonna make it
caused
through.
this door to jiggle like a bunch of jello. The shockwave that went through this thing is absolutely insane. The 4 board has a special place in my heart.
Look, guys. I bet the AK-47 or some kind of sniper is gonna went through this. So let's get this party started.
I'm sure right now several of you are screaming at your screens, wondering why I have not used the 416.
I bet you
If I
have hit camera in here somewhere. How do you know
absolutely love
I'm filming video or
it,
streaming?
find out it will make it through the vault door.
Guys, this guy has camera in your room. So let's see. Oh. Holy shit, I saw the move. I saw the move. I saw the move. Holy. It started fire even.
You know what? Let's give it one more. Good measure.
Come on, give it. Yo. This dude's strong. They're like jiggling there. This thing is, look at the smoke behind the door. It's jiggling the door. Safe. I mean safe.
Such a monster.
I know. I mean, you're such an idiot, not a monster. Technically, I hate M4. I hate M4, dude.
Not surprised. We made it through both times.
Holy shit. This guy is good. Wait a minute. this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.